Audio-to-MIDI is a game changer in modern music production, but if you've ever tried to use standard DAW tools for it, you know it can often be a frustrating experience. You usually end up with a jumbled mess of notes that takes longer to clean up than it would have taken to play it yourself. Today we're looking at an actual solution for this, called Prism by Aurally Sound. Prism is a next-generation audio-to-MIDI engine that redefines how we extract musical data. Whether you are a producer looking to remix a track, a transcriber trying to learn a complex solo, or a teacher creating sheet music, this tool is designed to capture the actual human nuance of a performance with incredible accuracy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete workflow so you can see exactly how it handles everything from simple bass lines to the hardest challenge of all, distorted guitars and complex piano chords. To start our workflow, first we need a bass track. So for this example, I'm going to use AI to generate a song specifically designed to test the limits of this plugin. Here I'm going to use a prompt to create a soft, emotional instrumental track, but I've intentionally included heavy, distorted electric guitars and rich acoustic piano parts. The reason I chose these specific instruments is that they represent the biggest pain points for most MIDI converters. Polyphonic piano chords involve many overlapping notes, and distorted guitars are full of harmonic noise that usually confuses note detection software. By using these sounds, we can comprehensively showcase what Prism is capable of. And here we are. Let's listen. I think this would be perfect for our purpose. Starts out softly and gets accompanied with heavy guitars. It has a great instrument composition, and it has the right amount of complexity for our test. Now here is the most important tip for getting professional results. Prism works best when you feed it isolated tracks or stems. If you try to convert a full song, the plugin has to fight through drums, vocals, and effects all at once, which still works but lowers the accuracy. So here I'm going to extract the stems from our song. Once the extraction is done, I'm selecting the wave format for the highest possible audio fidelity, and let's click Download All. Now we have the separate stems of our song: drums, bass, piano, and guitar. Next, let's bring these stems into our workstation. I'm using Cakewalk as my DAW for this demonstration, but Prism is a VST3 AU plugin, so you can use any DAW that are compatible with it, including giants like Logic Pro, Studio One, or Reaper as well. You can find the link to download and install Prism in the description below this video. And here on my DAW, I'll simply drag our isolated stems onto new tracks in the project. And here we are. The drums, bass, guitar, and keyboard stems of our song are now presented on our DAW timeline. Having them separated like this allows us to use different algorithms for each instrument. Let's start with the bass stem. Once you install Prism, you can add it in and access it as a plugin inside your DAW software. I'm using Cakewalk, so I'll select the track, right-click on the timeline, and go to my DAW's Region FX tab and select Prism to create a Region FX. Instantly, the interface opens, and it has already analyzed the audio. And below, we have the track in MIDI format with the piano roll. You can see the notes here, but it's currently in the AC piano algorithm. For a single-note instrument like a bass, the general algorithm is the perfect choice, so I'm going to select that. And now you can see the MIDI notes appearing in the plugin's window. It hasn't just captured the pitches, it has captured the subtle timing and the volume, or velocity, of every single note of our bass stem. Prism actually includes an internal MIDI editor, which is great if you want to make quick adjustments right there inside the plugin. It's intuitive, and while you might not use it for heavy editing or finer adjustments, It's perfect for ensuring the overall data is clean before you move it to your DAW. Now, once we are happy with the detection, we can use the Drag MIDI button. I'm going to get a new instrument track with electric piano loaded as the default instrument. I'll just click on the Drag MIDI button on Prism and hold that button and drag the data onto a new instrument track I created. Now that the MIDI is in the DAW, we have total control. Now I'm going to expand the MIDI in the DAW, and we can now edit the note in any way we like. So I'm going to take this block within this bass line here and transpose it up by 1 octave. Yes, when we play it back, you can hear that every single note is perfectly in place and the above block sounds completely natural. Now let's move to a much harder task, the acoustic piano part. For this, I'm going to select my keyboard stem. This part is polyphonic, meaning it plays complex chords with multiple notes at the same time. So just like before, I'm going to select the clip, right-click, and launch Prism with Region FX. There are a lot of notes here in general default, but for this keyboard track, I'm switching the algorithm to AC piano for maximum accuracy in the MIDI arrangement. Now look at the sensitivity slider. This is one of the most powerful features in Prism. By simply sliding this back and forth, you can see the MIDI arrangement changing in real time. And now I'm going to create a new track. And this time, instead of the default electric piano, I'm going to select an instrument from the contact player. And now I'm going to drag the keyboard MIDI arrangement into the main DAW timeline using the Drag MIDI button on Prism. Finally, let's test the most difficult instrument from our song, the distorted electric guitar. Usually, distortion creates so much harmonic noise that MIDI converters just fail. But Prism has a specialized guitar dist algorithm built specifically for this. I'll select the guitar stem of our song, create a region FX to launch Prism, and set the algorithm to guitar dist. The engine filters out the distortion and focuses purely on the fundamental notes. I'm dragging this MIDI into a contact instance where I've loaded a high-end clean guitar library. This allows us to take a messy, distorted AI-generated idea and turn it into a professional, clean arrangement. For producers, this is incredible for remixing or layering new sounds on top of an existing recording. We've gone from a fuzzy AI stem to a clean, editable, and professional virtual instrument performance in seconds. Everything we've done so far used the ARA version, but Prism also supports a non-ARA version for DAWs or workflows that don't support provided access for the input audio. In this non-ARA version, instead of providing Prism with the track, you can play the track on the DAW and let Prism capture the audio and generate the MIDI of it. This process is just as easy. Inside the plugin, you'll see a simple 4-step guide, so I'm just going to do that exactly. First, I'm positioning the DAW playhead at the start of the audio. Second, I'm going to press the Capture Audio button in Prism and play the track in our DAW. Once the part is finished, you hit the Capture Audio button again to stop capturing. And now you can see the MIDI arrangement of the relevant audio track we played right now has been created by Prism. From there, the workflow is the same. Select your algorithm, adjust your sensitivity, and drag your MIDI out to edit on a detailed level inside the DAW. As you've seen, the accuracy of Prism across different instruments is remarkable. By dragging the MIDI directly into our DAW's piano roll, we can make any final manual adjustments we want, shifting a note here or there, to get that 100% perfect result. Whether you are transcribing a legendary solo, converting your own ideas into editable data, or completely remixing a track using stems, Prism is an essential tool for the modern creator. It removes the technical barrier of manual transcription and lets you focus on the music. Make sure to check the link in the description to try it out for yourself. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more music tool breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next production.